ये अंग्रेजी में आपके सामने तकरीर पेश करेंगे उबैद कानपुर, 7वीं क्लास में पढ़ रहे हैं और हर तालिब इल्म हैं माशाअल्लाह।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected teachers, honorable scholars, and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak on the topic, the value of time. Time is one of the greatest blessings given by Allah. Once time passes, it never comes back. Every second of our life is important. If we use our time studying, learning good things, we can become successful in this world and the hereafter. Allah says in the Quran, Ya ayyuhalladheena amanu ittaqullah walitanzur nafsun ma qaddamat lighad. Oh believers, fear Allah and let every person look at what they have prepared for tomorrow. This ayah teaches us that we should think about our future and use our time wisely. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam also said, "Ni'matani maqoonun fihima kathirun minan nas, as-sihhat wal faragh." There are two blessings with many people, wealth, health and free time. This hadith reminds us not to waste our free time in laziness or useless activities. My dear friends, if we respect time, time will reward us with success, confidence and respect. Let us use our day learning, helping others and doing good work. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.